Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to be an admin in a Viber group. First of all, launch the Viber app on your smartphone and then from the home page navigate to the group chat where you want to become an admin. Now, go to the top of the screen and tap on the group's name. First, check if you are already an admin in the group. To look for that, scroll down under participants and check if there is an admin level right next to your name. You will need to ask an existing admin to promote you. Ask an admin to make you an admin by sending a message to one of the current admins and request them to add you as an admin. Simply click on their name and then tap on message. Now write down that you would like them to make you an admin in the group and send in the message. Now the person that you asked to make you an admin makes you the admin, you will be able to change the ownership. Another way to become an admin in the Viber group is to simply go ahead and create your own group. Tap on the pencil icon at the top right from the chat screen and click on New Group or Community. Now go ahead and select the people you want to add to the group by tapping on their name, and once you do that, click on Next to the top right. Now you can name your group and click on Done. After you've created the group, you'll be automatically made an admin in the group. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.